my name is DinaDwiAgustin. I'm from Information Technology S4. Here I will explain how to make Martabak tofu with spring roll. Happy watching! Ingredients: lumpia skin wrap, 2 tofu, 1 egg, 2 leeks thin slice, 1 carrot this side, smooth season, 2 red onion cloves, 1 garlic cloves, raw chili to taste, salt to taste. First wash all material and spices to be mixed. Then blend the onion, garlic, chili using a blender. Then put the tofu to be smoothed, then stir it together with the egg. Next, we stir fry all the ingredients that have been mixed. Then add the carrots and chives that have been cut, and don't forget to give salt and flavoring to taste. Saute about 5 minutes. After we stir fry, prepare a place to form martabak. Take the lumpia skin for toothpicks to enter the contents that have been stir-fried before. We fill approximately 2 tablespoons. And after everything is formed, we fry the martabak with oil and the medium fire for about 10 minutes until the brown martabak. Finally, martabak is ready to be served. Thank you.